Ah. Doon na yun, Gab. Doon na. Ah. Ay. There is Sam. Nakatingin sa akin na great. We pray for Thanksgiving.
Pwede yung time. Oh,
Kukuha na.
oh my God, luway kayo. Pwede yung isa ko.
Yay! Kompleto na. That's good.
Ito na to.
Tablet. Basi dito pa dito ang cup. Gumawara na dito ang cup.
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
Ang sarap. Sabagsangan mo yan hapon. Saraitan.
Hi, Sir Bell. How are you, Sir Bell? I'm with my dog. Say hi, Sir Bell. Hi, Sir Bell. How are you, Sir Bell? Thank you so much. Oh my God. Thank you for watching. Hi, Cliff. Hi, Sir Cliff. Oh. My girl. Ay, ano pala yan? Natuto tayo. Thank you for the line. Hi, thank you for people. Too hot. It's too hot. Thank you for people in the house. Thank you so much. Kalo. Ma'am, ay ipamamam ka mabastos. May pamamam ka pa. Babad trip ka lang. I'm not allowed, no allowed. Pervert people. Gab. Kan pervert people on my channel. Go somewhere. Our other lives having other life entertainment. I don't want no time for dating. Entertain pervert church like you. Trash. Hi, quiz. Church. Yes, church, please. Short sana. No. Short sana. Sako. Ama ko na lang yan, pambabae. Mara na. Pambabae sa. Mara na ba? Darag ko. Hindi ko yan. Gabriel po. Hato na po kami. Hindi na ka, ano ha. Ako na nga daw yung kaysa balay na yan nasa ito. Thank you, Chris. Oh, mahal! Oh my God, akala ko kung sino. Okay, yan bata ko to. Oo, wala na, nahusla na ako. Pagay. Ha? Kumusta man ka mo dito? Dako ng bata ko. Kaya nga ganun din ang sumatotal. Mapupuyat, mapuhubog.
Sabi ko nga,
Nanguhusla na ako magparano kay...
sabi ko, pero may kandasyon pa kapag kaaga.
Oo.
Sumita ako sila.
Nag-jogging baga kami.
Puro ka ngayon rin.
Puro na lang irinuman ng gabi. Kasi irinuman.
Raon sabi. Malagang ako niya. Sabi na lang.
Malarga ka mo niyan?
Ako ni sa balay.
Nino?
Si Ace, ikat ako sa balay.
Okay.
Hinanap ko kami ni Iner.
Nilmer.
Okay, so.
Kaya nanay na. Mamaya? Nakalaya na?
Sana. Nakalaya.
Ay, diri, mura laya yun. Ano naman kayo mag-irimudan ka? Makato ka mo dito? Bisitahan niya. Sige. Oo. Hi, 3 people in the house. Buratilyo Magalpok. Fuck you. Nonsense. You know what? You going here to disrespect me. Go to your friends. I told you that you're going here to disrespect me. Both of you are trash. Do you think the pervert like you, disrespecting people like you, not allowed on my channel? Because maybe you are rich but poor of right manners and the right conduct. So easy for you to disrespect no one because you don't respect yourself. Because if you respect yourself, you will respect others. Like people you don't know, like me, because I don't know you and you don't know me. So shut up your mouth. Like your friends. Like your Juan and Anu. Ew. Kamabago na sinapay. Ito na lang. Ano gusto mo ba kalon? Grapes? Yep. Mahalo ng grapes niya. Satro mo lang. Pagpadara na yung mga may
Untis.
Hi, Sir John. Oh, don't get angry. Just ignore the haters. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir John. Yeah, I need to calm down. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir John. Miss you here. What happened to you, Sir John? No hear about you. You're busy. So much busy. I hope you come here in the Philippines and you're invited because you are the and you know what I call this, the first people who helped me most when my father is fell so sick, something like that. Tagpira po ang donut.
Yeah. 60.
Gusto mo donut, Gab? Donut at tagpira ang donut. Ito. 50 pesos. Ah. Katagpira man didiho. Katagpira man didiho. Dito katagpira. 50 man. I just took a break from YouTube. I was on my phone too much. Okay po. Sorry. Thank you, Sir John, for joining. At least, even if not always, at least you join. Something like that. Ano na, Gab? Oh, Gab. Oh, kulay. So much more. So much English. Mainit yan. Look, surgeon. Let me grasp. Business again, pagkataon, para bang ika'y laro ng panahon. Your son is very quiet po. Yes, he's very quiet, Sir John. He's very shy. He's very quiet po. Like me, I'm quiet when I'm kids, when I'm young. But when I get hurt, I need to express something like that. Because too much quiet make us feel bad. Something like that. We need too much quiet. Bagsangan? Bagsangan?
Ito, pagdulawa ng biyahe.
Ay, ang bagsangan?
Pagsangan? Dahil naman ang pagsangan nila yung putunayan sila.
May kod lang. Bagsangan na lang po rin. Oh my God. Not like you now, yes. Not like now. I'm too much talk. Too much talk, not like when I'm kids. Even I'm at the class, even I know the answer, I'm not raising hands, but I'm still on the top 5, something like that. Because I have no confidence in myself. I overthink that what if what if I'm not right? What if I'm wrong? What if I mistake, something like that? But now, a little I have a self-confidence, like it's okay. I don't care what people think about me. Just I do what makes me happy. I appreciate people likes me and need to ignore people don't like me, something like that. Not like just be yourself po. Yes po, Sir John. Thank you, Sir John. Gladiatrix, thank you. Thank you for the likes. How are you, Gladiatrix? Thank you, 5 likes. I found the love for me. Thank you, 6 people who hit the likes. Who is that hairs? Who is that theirs? Huh? Theirs? Oh. Hi Walter Green, glad to see you back, Cheryl. Still looking beautiful. Thank you, Walter Green. Yeah, because before I can't do live before. Hindi ka naman. Ambot, nagisakay lang ako. Kaya gusto ko nang umupo.
Hindi ka mo ali.
Nagada lang, may binisita lang kami. Ikaw din kahali kayo magayon na naurahan natin.
Dulo, nagbuwasan. Ayaw na na.
Sa day?
Oh.
Kaya man, si Mamay.
Mamay makali na da.
Oh, ito na nga sa balay. Tabunan niyo.
Ako,
Happy Thursday, I hope. Thursday, I hope. Thank you, Sir John.
Sige, nang ayuda na diyo.
Oo, nadayo na diyo. Thank you so much, Sir John. God bless you always. Stay healthy. Health is wealth. Ha? Hindi ko alam. Magkano man na ayuda? Magkano man?
1,325.
Kakadiri pa nirahin mo na 2.5. Kami may mga butal pa.
Ang 5,000 na.
Ang dati.
7,000 mo na yun. Naging sabi 5. Kaya naging to.
Napandiin na niya ba? Nagbabawas ha. Imbis na nagdadagdag, nagbabawas uga.
Mawat-awat pa na.
Aray. Aday, kuwara na yon. Badi taga na lang kamo sintig sararo na tigilima na kilo na bugas. Tapos saro na bihon. Aray. At lima sabi pa son, at least mayon kamo na kubang.
Yahay na yan. Tunaik ko
Kaya nga ni. Imbis na ba dagdagan, nabawasan. Hi, thank you for joining. Okay, going out na Cheryl. Ha? Thank you. Okay pa, agad. Tanong niya ako sa dihong. Dali Dito kita sa sulod. Dali. Dali na kayo, mauna kita. Gabriel! Ay, ito.
Okay, yan yan. Bata mo nga.
Ano yung grade? Grade 5.
Galit lang.
Magdali na mag-high school. May binata na ako. Uy. Butang mo na yun dito.
Wala na yung kapagtangan.
Oo, kapilihan yan.
Doon mo lang yung karat sa inyo mag-aas.
Kaya nga, kapilihan. Pero maski doon lang, rayuan man ang bakla yun. Thank you, Sir John. God bless po. Tika always.
Uy, mawali ka na? Ah, si Giselle? Init! Diyos mayo ni Marimar!
Ayan. Mainit din sa Pilipinas. Kaya din ako, may na siya kalitin.
Yan din na, nakakuha na init. May lite! Paul, may lite! Pauli ka na?
Ano daw?
Ay, baka nung baka din mapakal chicken.
Early morning, when she wakes up. And so knock, knock, knock on the door.
Ito kung sa si Rudy ho, Rivera.
Ah, sayang. Dapat ito kita ng gulat sa kuwan.
Ha?
Dapat ito kita ng gulat sa kanto.
Madinig.
Nagkakanganin ko na kami. Kaya nagugutom na rin ako. Tiredness. Tired. Okay, going out now. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Naglag ka na ngayon ang kwan mo?
Yes. Ang watol na. Nakauli naman yan. Ano?
Namiss tulo sa...
Napos siya dito sa tubig.
Ay, makuya ito na sabi nag-igit. Oh,
Nagudo siya dugo. Bulwa. May bada.
Mahatok man ha.
Sila na kay may edad ng bagat.
Oo, may iba man sa ibang...
Tapos nagka-surprise pa siya. Aray. Sobrang mainit.
Grabe ang tinarama ah.
Ang grabe. Nagkaurus lang pa ito sa alayhon.
Baka kuno sabi ni Christy.
Thank you for likes.
Irog si Dio na mainiton, di pa man siya didipidi.
Oo, nagbabad siya dito sa ano, sa dyan. Tapos pag abot niya dito bigla lamig. Piniton sa kamera.
Pero lalo yun. Mura na asawa.
Divorce.
O, di po. Pero ang bata.
Tulo.
O, maya. Bali puro na may trabaho ha.
Oo, may mga pamilya naman.